Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off Vanish Mode on Messenger. If Vanish Mode is enabled in a Messenger chat, you can turn it off in just a few seconds. So, in newer versions of Messenger, some chats use disappearing messages rather than the older Vanish Mode feature. So, open Messenger, then open the conversation, tap the person's name at the top, then scroll down to Disappearing Messages. So, select Disappearing Messages under Privacy and Support. Then select off. So if it is set to specific timer, then select off from the options and that's it. Now it is disabled. So if you're using Android, you can open the Messenger app, open the conversation where vanish mode is enabled or disappearing messages, then swipe up from the bottom of the chat and release. So just swipe it up, then release just like so. So the same gesture to turn it on, then the chat will return to normal and vanish mode will be turned off. Name at the top, then scroll down and look for disappearing messages and select that, then select off. Or if vanish mode is available, so you can swipe up from the bottom of the chat and release, and that's it. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.